You're not going to get COVID if you have these vaccinations.
The vaccine can stop the spread of these diseases.
No excuse for anyone being unvaccinated. This continues to be a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
This is really becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated, and that means getting vaccinated, you can save yourself.
These vaccines are highly, highly effective. When people are vaccinated, they can feel safe that they are not going to get infected.
Fully vaccinated people are at a very, very low risk of getting COVID-19.
Our data from the CDC today suggests, that vaccinated people do not carry the virus, don't get sick, and that it's not just in the clinical trials, but it's also in real-world data.
What's your take on the next steps for COVID? What should the country be doing right now?
Getting vaccinated.
And for those who aren't?
They've got a problem. We have the capacity to control it. They should get vaccinated.
Let me emphasize that if you are vaccinated, you have a very high degree of protection, and therefore you do not need to wear a mask.
This is a pandemic of the unvaccinated. The unvaccinated overcrowd our hospitals.
Well, guess what? So how about patriotism? How about making sure that you're vaccinated so you do not spread the disease to anybody else?
Should we have any worries about walking by someone on the street who may be unvaccinated?
Not at all. I would have no concern walking down the street past a person who's not been vaccinated and even a person who's been infected, because the protection is really quite substantial.
Well, whether you're working in a supermarket to make sure you have been vaccinated so you're not spreading anything to anyone else, or you're not likely to get the virus.
The primary endpoint on which the 95% efficacy was determined was based on the prevention of clinically recognizable disease.
Now we know that the vaccines work well enough that the virus stops with every vaccinated person. A vaccinated person gets exposed to the virus does not infect them. The virus cannot then use that person to go anywhere else.